When we talk about improving soil health and boosting crop yields, biofertilizers are often the go-to solution. Among the many types of biofertilizers, cyanobacteria and algae play a pivotal role in enhancing soil fertility. These natural organisms are not just eco-friendly, but also incredibly effective at promoting plant growth. In today's video, we'll dive into cyanobacteria and algae, understanding how they work and their role in sustainable farming. If you're enjoying the content and want more insights into eco-friendly farming, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's explore the world of cyanobacteria and algae biofertilizers. Cyanobacteria and algae are both simple yet powerful organisms that can significantly improve soil health. Cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae, are microscopic organisms that can fix nitrogen from the atmosphere. Algae, on the other hand, are a diverse group of photosynthetic organisms that include both microscopic and macroscopic varieties. Both play important roles in agriculture, particularly in enhancing soil fertility and providing essential nutrients to plants. Let's now take a closer look at the different types of cyanobacteria and algae used as biofertilizers and their specific benefits. 1. Cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. The most common and widely used type of cyanobacteria in agriculture is Anabaena, which is a nitrogen-fixing cyanobacterium. These microorganisms live in soil or water bodies and capture nitrogen from the air, converting it into a form that plants can easily use for growth. In addition to fixing nitrogen, cyanobacteria also help in enhancing soil structure and increasing organic matter content. They are particularly useful in rice fields and other crops that require high nitrogen levels. 2. Spirulina, microalgae. Another well-known type of algae used as a biofertilizer is spirulina, a type of microalgae. Spirulina is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for plant growth. When added to soil, spirulina helps enhance soil fertility and improves the nutrient availability for plants. Spirulina is especially effective in promoting the growth of leafy vegetables, fruits, and other crops that require high nutrient intake. 3. Chlorella, green algae. Another powerful algae biofertilizer is chlorella, a green algae known for its ability to enhance soil fertility. Chlorella can fix nitrogen and provide essential minerals that are critical for plant growth. Chlorella also helps in increasing soil microbial activity, which further enhances soil health and promotes sustainable farming. So, how exactly do cyanobacteria and algae help improve soil health and plant growth? Let's break it down. 1. Nitrogen fixation. The primary role of cyanobacteria is nitrogen fixation. Cyanobacteria such as Anabaena capture nitrogen from the air and convert it into ammonia, which is then absorbed by plants and used for growth. This reduces the need for chemical nitrogen fertilizers. 2. Improved soil fertility. Both cyanobacteria and algae help in enhancing soil fertility by increasing nutrient content, especially nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for healthy plant growth. Improving soil structure. By forming a natural biofilm, these microorganisms also improve soil structure and help in increasing moisture retention, which is vital for crops in areas with irregular rainfall. 3. Enhanced plant growth and yield. The nutrients released by cyanobacteria and algae stimulate plant growth, resulting in higher yields and healthier crops. Let's look at a study from India, conducted by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR. The study found that applying cyanobacteria to rice fields significantly improved nitrogen availability, leading to enhanced growth and yields. The research also indicated that cyanobacteria helped reduce the need for chemical nitrogen fertilizers by 30%, making farming more sustainable. The study highlights the practical benefits of using cyanobacteria and algae as biofertilizers in Indian agriculture, particularly in nutrient-deficient soils. In conclusion, Cyanobacteria and algae are incredibly powerful and sustainable biofertilizers that improve soil health, boost plant growth, and reduce dependency on chemical fertilizers. By using Anabaina, Spirulina, and Chlorella, farmers can significantly enhance their crop yields, improve soil fertility, and protect the environment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have you used cyanobacteria or algae in your farming? Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below.